Here I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and select the display and brightness, and here you will see font size, just go here. And now by tapping on this scale you can change the font size. You can see the results here, so if you would like to have it bigger or smaller you can pick the preferable option. So let me pick the middle one, and that's it. Go back and you will see that the font size has been changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.